Not before the bottle of Tanqueray is
I love you.
Oh, I'm not saying it won't go in soon. I just gotta.
Andrew, why don't you open these other boxes? There's other boxes that say to Andrew.
There's one right here, too.
Does that say to Andrew?
It does.
Hey, Jennifer, you know how we like to go and look for the gemstones?
Yeah.
Mark and Patty got me a rock vibrator so we can polish the rubies and the sapphires.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's really cool.
That's cool.
So is it like how big is it then? Is it like the size of a crock pot, or how does that?
No, it's probably
Hannah, get up.
half a gallon or so.
Oh, wow. Oh,
It's for me. But it's not huge.
that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, what did she get into? Oh, she was eating she got a star, I bet. Andrew, go ahead and open that.
What?
That's for me at Jill.
For me?
For the whole Sperling clan.
Look.
Oh, look at that.
It's for me.
What is it? Do you know what it is? Oh, Andrew.